Va chicos, chicas, guapísimas. Hoy les voy con un nuevo video para el canal. Hoy vamos a reaccionar a dos videos de mi favorito youtuber videoreactiones. Hoy vamos a reaccionar a Percy Meets a Bully. Vamos. Lo siento, es que ya me vi el episodio. Vamos. Empecemos en 3, 2, 1, ya. Todo se ve normal. ¡Wow! ¿Ese fue Percy? Oh, Gordon Spencer, ya veo. ¡Oh my god! Jaja. Eso fue increíble. ¿Qué?
Stinky, steamy.
¿Qué?
Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to crash into you like that. You better be sorry. You know what I do to people who crash into me?
¿Qué?
What? I call my buddies and, hey, D261, check this out.
¿Qué?
Why is this?
Ah, él dice
They
lo.
crashed into me? Oh, we better call the boss then.
Oh, no lo llamen.
Damn it, what do you dumbasses want?
Dice Dios.
She crashed into me on purpose.
Ni siquiera lo podría ser.
An accident? Oh, man. Do imposter my way. I got it. Send me those smelters.
Oh.
I think we should let Pinchy decide on this one.
Pinchy, are you serious?
¿En serio? Gara.
He needs other chances, you know. I can't just make all the decisions all the time, okay? So, Pinchy, what do you think?
No, porque el tipo burlándose
Pinchy, there is no time for
ya no
jokes. I'm
quiere
sick.
va a comer ese cuento de que ahora ya no viene
Pinchy!
Nothing, boss, nothing.
That's what I thought.
que sí, lo están llevando.
Can I leave now?
Ok, aquí está. Dice Dios versus
Me and Pinchy, we made our decision.
Percy.
So what are you gonna do to me?
Con los ojos. Estamos para niños pequeños. Pero si eres a niños mayores, no pueden ver.
You
¿No
are...
puedo? Un minuto.
No, you was going easy on me.
Discúlpame, es que yo voy a retroceder hacia acá.
Right now.
Oh, I got you now.
Get off me. Look, I don't need help with sneak attacks, okay? I just need help defending myself.
Ya veo.
What you need is a real diesel to fight. It's Dazer.
Wait, what?
What do you want? I need you to beat up Percy.
Wait, what?
Okay. Well, Percy, you need help. I need more bandages is what I need.
Ow.
So picture if you were to a real attack.
It wasn't a real attack.
No, a real attack, you'd be dead, okay? I may need to go easy on you.
No, you was going easy on me.
Percy, calm down and come with me.
I need to come with you.
¿Seguirlo?
You're so stupid. Just come with me, Percy. What are we doing here, though? Percy, I'm gonna teach you something that I only taught 2 other engines in my entire life. What?
Si ustedes no pueden ver,
The
pues
Great Western.
hay que darle brillo al video. Gracias.
Okay, that sounds so half-assed. Do you know what a Great Western technique is? No? Are you Great Western? Yeah. Not really. Then shut up. You don't know what the Great Western technique is. What is the Great Western technique?
La técnica del noroeste.
You know what we need? You know what we need right now? We need some sexy-ass montage music, so come on. Yeah. Come with me.
Vamos.
What?
Ok. ¿Qué? A ver si ni siquiera pueden ver. Ouch.
That's it. Come on.
Dale, Gordon, dale. Gordon.
Grandma's so fast.
Dale, Gordon, dale. Okay.
Main Diesel.
¡Ah! No, no, no.
Main Diesel.
¡No lo pegues! ¡No!
Nice Diesel.
VHS, me encanta.
Main Diesel.
¡No! ¡Suéltame!
The Main Diesel.
No, 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 no.
Nice Diesel. Nice Diesel. Good. Main Diesel.
No, 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 no.
Main Diesel. But I like the Great Discovery.
The Great Discovery?
Good.
Te odio, Doc.
Yeah.
Ahora va a ser...
I don't understand how an engine can lift load.
I understand how you're afraid of trees in season 5. Oh, shit! Shut up and let the boy learn!
Ok, veamos. Está corriendo demasiado rápido.
You're one stinky diesel.
¿Qué? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
No!
¿Qué fue eso? Ya, 3, 4.
Alright, you get better.
Ok, ahí va. ¿Qué? Creo que está mejorando. ¿Qué?
I am voice.
Debe que oler.
Grease and oil. Wait, no!
¿Cómo es demasiado fuerte?
I am the best!
Vamos.
Am I so? Hold him down.
Okay.
Lie down, you idiot! Horses. Like the other engine.
Shut up and let the boy learn.
And... oh man, this day just keeps getting better.
¿Ese soy yo? ¡Guau!
Oh, okay, so we're doing this again. Okay, ow! Damn, how'd you get so strong?
Quit talking and release my friend.
He's already released. Go get him. Ugh.
Pleasure doing business with you.
¿Lo logró?
Well done, Percy. Good job.
Diesel 10! Wake your ass up! There's a green tank engine who's gonna beat the living crap out of you. And, okay. You already met Percy. You're fine.
Ay, lo siento, se fue mi abuela. Ahora vamos a reaccionar a Donut and Doggy. Fucking no, era broma. Voy a The Shunting Engine. No, The Spotless Record. No, va a ser no. ¡Mierda! Oh, 2200 super.
Shut up!
Es porque llegaron a 200 suscriptores.
Thomas, why are you screaming? I'm trying to take a nap. Oh, no reason, except you've got 200 subscribers!
¿En serio?
What?
Vamos.
Yeah, man, 200 subscribers right here.
Wait, no, Thomas.
Vamos.
Let's see.
What? Thomas, what the hell is that?
¿Qué fue eso, Tomás?
It's only 200 subscribers. Oh, shit! Shit.
Sí, estaba haciendo con Emily.
Thomas, I worry about you sometimes. Shut up! I'm trying to type this in.
Oh,
Right, there, okay. Got it set. Get your ass up, Percy. Look at this.
Fine.
veamos.
200 subscribers, man! I know, right? Oh my gosh, what are you two screaming about?
Oh my God.
Because our channel hit 200 subscribers!
Really?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Take a look. So it did. Wake me when he hits 1,000.
Hay que celebrar todas.
Let's celebrate! Let's bring Poco!
Sí.
Shit, I just hear we hit 200 subscribers. You did? Oh, really? I know how to celebrate. I got to be some vocal in the sightings. Come on.
¡Vamos!
Pinch them out. Seriously, guys, thank you all for 200 subscribers. I know it really doesn't seem like much, but hey, I'm off to a great start, am I? And just so you know, I'm working on the next door and Dougie right now. Here's Dougie right now. See,
Hola, Dougie.
okay, yeah.
Fuera la mierda.
Thank you all for 200 subscribers. Let's get more,
Sí.
shall we?
Ok, ya terminó el video. Espero que les guste. Suscríbanse a mi canal para más. Y nos vemos en el siguiente video. ¡Chao!